Welcome back now. The Indian Coast Guard continues to rescue operations as part of the mammoth efforts to douse the flames on board container vessel MV Express Pearl off the Colombo in Sri Lanka. Now, 3 ships of the Indian Coast Guard have been deployed for the operation, while formations at Kochi and Chennai are on standby. Take a look at.
The Indian Coast Guard is working tirelessly to extinguish the massive fire on board container vessel MV Express Pearl off Colombo in Sri Lanka. The challenging round-the-clock firefighting operation underway since the 25th of May, with Sri Lankan authorities, has been named Operation Sagar Araksha 2, which symbolizes growing maritime cooperation between India and Sri Lanka. 3 ships of the Indian Coast Guard and 4 tugs deployed by Sri Lanka are involved in the operation. The non-stop joint firefighting efforts have yielded positive results, with increasing signs of fire being under control. Coast Guard ships Vaibhav and Vajra, in addition to their firefighting capabilities, are also equipped with adequate pollution response capabilities for oil spill. The presence of a specialized vessel, ICGS Samudra Parahari, has provided added strength to overall pollution response capabilities. Reports from the ships and aircraft indicate that there has been no oil spill. With a careful and measured execution of firefighting operation, no change has been observed in trim and draught of the vessel, indicating that the stability and watertight integrity of the vessel is still intact.
Subsequently, on 25th, once again in the morning, we got intimation from India and Sri Lanka, our High Commission, that Express Pearl is on fire due to an explosion, as a result of which the fire is raging. And at that time, there were around 25 people on board. These 25 people had the crew and the salvors, and they all were recovered by the Sri Lankan authorities. At the same time, we had got intimation, as well as we were awaiting directions. We got directions from the Ministry of External Affairs and the Ministry of Defense very promptly, and as a result of which we had mobilized our forces. Now, while we were heading for that place, we were looking at what are the challenges.
The Indian Coast Guard is closely monitoring the situation and maintaining continuous communication with Sri Lankan Navy, Coast Guard, Marine Environment Protection Authority and other authorities. Formations at Kochi, Chennai and Tuticorin remain on standby for immediate assistance. Bureau Report, Republic TV.